Target's MHT-CET experts present the MHT-CET Triumph Physics, Chemistry, and Biology, with a unique twist. The books cover over 19,500 MCQs of easy, moderate, and complex difficulty levels. Updated as per the latest MHT-CET syllabus and paper pattern, the books include an entire collection of MHT-CET Previous Years Questions, as well as the latest MHT-CET papers fully solved. Answers to all questions are also provided. And if you get stuck on a tricky question, refer to the detailed solutions given via QR codes. Speed up your prep with quick review. And perform 3 times better with various smart keys. Triumph over the MHT-CET with Target.